Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how we're going to be completing our sorting activity that's going to help us understand this cause and effect relationships between a population and their environment that they live in. Now we're going to be breaking down how to complete this card sorting activity that's going to help us explain that relationship and how to complete the questions that go with the activity. So when we get through this, make sure you come back to the survey, put your X where you fall, and as always, reach out if you are in the yellow or red section. So this card sorting activity starts in task 3, where you're going to be clicking on the link and looking to create a screenshot of the sorting tool that you complete. Make sure you click the blue update button to save your work if something happens for any reason. So let's go ahead and take a look at the sorting tool. The sorting tool here deals with that Ostrilope population that we saw in the warm-up. So we have a set of Ostrilopes with different armor levels. Armor levels are found here on the side, and we have 5 different variations here, okay, along with some information in terms of their generations and their average lifespan, or in regards to their general lifespan. And when we look at our sorting tool here, you're going to see three very important things. You're going to see a row here that has arrows from weakest armor to strongest armor, a row here from fewest offspring to most offspring, and a set of arrows here from shortest lifespan to longest lifespan. Now, in order to understand this cause and effect relation between our Ostrilopes and their environment, we first have to ask ourselves, okay, how can I sort these organisms here, these 5 Ostrilopes, by their armor strength, by the number of offspring they're going to have, and by the length of their lifespan if they were to live in the environment you see behind them. So you're going to notice that every time you pick one and drag it to a section, another one will pop up. Your goal is to put all 5 of these Ostrilopes in order of our 5 topics here for all 3 rows. So notice I have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 10 in my first row. I'll have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 10 in my next row, and so on. Sorting our 5 different Ostrilopes and their 5 variations by the 3 topics: lifespan, offspring, and armor. Once you have your order here, obviously I'm just doing it randomly, you'll hit the hand in button and screenshot it for the lesson. Now, once you have it screenshotted, you're going to then come into task number 4 and look to answer questions about what you observed in your sorting tool. So you might have to come back to your sorting tool and look at what you did and how you sorted it. But in this section, this is where we're going to identify that relationship that we talked about between the population and their environment. So make sure you're answering the questions with detail about what you did in the sorting tool. So that's how we complete the sorting tool and how we complete the questions in the next 2 tasks. Make sure you complete the survey, and if you have questions, reach out.